Alright, again, this is Algebra 2, Review 6-1. Number 20. Again, not all three of them have logs, so I'm going to have to popcorn out of a log in order to do this. But first, let's combine those things. So that's log base 3 of x minus 5 divided by x plus 3. Remember, this one is negative, so it has to go on bottom. Equals 2. Now we can popcorn 3 squared equals all of that mess. So that's 3 squared equals x minus 5 over x plus 3. Right? Which 3 squared is 9, we'll do that in a second. But in order to solve this, we got to get that x plus 3 out of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply by x plus 3 over here to cancel that out. Right? So we get 9x plus 9 times 3 is 27 equals x minus 5. And again, no, we don't. And so from here, we just, x is one way, numbers the other. I'll move the x's to the left, so that's 8x. And I'll move the numbers right, so that's 7 and 5, that's 32. That's negative 32. X equals negative 4. Okay? Okay, inequalities. Yay, inequalities. Remember, with these, we can popcorn in and out of them, but whatever side x is on, it has to stay on that side. So in this case, x is on the larger side, so no matter where we write x, it has to stay on the larger side of the inequality. Okay? So we'll popcorn just like before. Base, answer, exponent. So log of e, which is ln, of 4, and then x minus 3. But remember, the x gets the bigger side of the inequality side because it was on the greater than side, so it needs to stay on the greater than side. Last thing, move the 3. So 3 plus ln of 4 less than x. Done. 22, same idea. There's nothing out front, and there's nothing out back, so there's nothing to move. I can go base, answer, exponent. Remember your base, if there's nothing written, it is a base 10. So 10 cubed is greater than x plus 2. Alright, it's a greater than sign because x was on the smaller side, so x stays on the smaller side. Oops. And then move the 2 over. So 10 to the third is 10,000. Subtract the 2 is 9,997 is greater than x. Cool? No, x to the 10. It's not 10,000, it's 1,000. But anyways, that's the right answer. Alright, last one. Number 23. Alright, this is part of the log right there. So I need to get rid of that and that before I popcorn anything away. So we will subtract the 6. So we got negative 5 log base 3 of 9x is less than or equal to negative 19 minus 6 is negative 25. And then we will divide by negative 5. So that's log base 3 of 9x is greater than or equal to 5. Remember, we divided by a negative 5. So you have to switch your sign when you divide by a negative. That's an old rule. You cannot forget it. Now we can popcorn base, answer, argument, base exponent argument. So 3 to the 5th equals 9x. 3 to the 5th is 32, so that's 32 divided by 9 equals x. And there's your answer. Now, let me write it where you can see everything. 32 over 9 equals x. Done.